Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Myers and I actually just left Colonial Hall where I work as a marketing intern for Moravian College. Currently at Moravian College, I'm an incoming sophomore. My major is communications with a focus in marketing. I originally found out about the internship when Claire came to a 26-point ambassador meeting mentioning that she needed a student worker for over the summer from the communications department, and I decided to take my chance there and shoot her an email. In the future, I wish to be a marketing director, but as of right now, I currently flip-flop jobs as a full-time associate at a Kohls and an intern at Moravian College. Some days, you can just find me working from home in my own bed. It really depends on what the task is. On other days, you can find me on campus helping the marketing department with various events, such as the demolition of Martin Tower or Summer Fair. I would have to say my favorite part of this internship is helping with the live stream of the demolition of Martin Tower. It was one of the coolest events that I've ever witnessed in my life.
Intern worker Matt is saying hello.
I just want to say thank you to all the alumni that came out and watched us. Definitely follow Moravian College's Facebook and Instagram to keep you updated on any future pictures, recordings, or videos of the Martin Tower implosion. The communications department has helped me better my education in the field of marketing and has allowed me to work with such great people within the college itself. Throughout the summer and this upcoming school year, I hope to learn more about the inner workings of how a college markets itself and how it would apply to my future career as a marketing director. I just quickly want to say thank you to everyone that's worked with me to get me to this point in my life. Every single associate I've had at Kohls, every colleague I've met here at Moravian, and every single one of my family members and friends.